Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we have to solve a very important question from Module 1 Digital Logic Gates. So our question is, minimize the following Boolean function f of a, b, c, d equals to min terms are 0, 2, 8, 10 and 14 and the don't care values given 5 and 15. So firstly, we have to see how many number of boxes we have to draw for the minimizing this Boolean function from Kmap. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 variables given. So 2 to the power 4 means 16 boxes. It means that 4 into 4 boxes we have to draw in Kmap. So I am drawing here a square box. Then I will half from here, half from here, half of this box, half of this box, and half of this box, and half of this box. This is how you can easily draw the 4 into 4 boxes. So now I will name this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After 7 here we have to come 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then we have to write AB here and CD here. Then we have to write the combination 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0. After that 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0. So then our step 1 is completed. Now we will move to step 2, in which we will mark the minterms. So here at 0 it is true 0, 2, 8, 10 and 14. So and again the don't care value given here 5 and 15. So we will mark this 5 and 15. We only use these don't care values when it is much needed for making the maximum number of groups, or else any group is missing. So now we have marked the minterms and the don't care values. Now we will form the groups. So here we will see for 16, but 16 is not possible. Then we will see for 8. It is also not possible. But for 4 elements group, we can see here for this 4 elements, if we fold these papers like this towards the middle center, then it will form like this 4 groups. So we will mark this as first group. Then this element is left, and if I am using this don't care value, it is also forming only 2 number of groups. So we cannot do with don't care. We can directly use this one for grouping this. So 2. So this is our second group. So now we will minimize this. So f of a, b, c, d is equals to minimization of first group plus second group. So we will minimize first and second group separately. So for first group, we can see for AB, it is covering from 0, 0 because one element 1, 1 here and 1, 1. So this row and this row is covering. That's why we are only comparing 0, 0 and 1, 0. So for A, 0 to 1, it is changing, but for B, 0 to 0, it is same. So we directly write B dash. Now we will see for CD and 1, 0 and 0, 0. So at 0 to 1, for C it is changing, but for D, 0 to 0, it is same. So we will directly write D bar. Now we will check for the second group here, and the second group is this one. So for AB, it is covering 1, 1 and 1, 0. So 1 to 1, A is same but B is changing. So we will write A, and now we will check for CD. CD is only covering one column, so it will be the same throughout these 2 rows. So we directly write C D dash. So we will write thus minimized Boolean function given is f of a, b, c, d is equals to first group is b dash d dash plus ac d dash. So this is our final answer. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.